really intensive olive. That's wow.
It's time for Marcel Meets.
Today's Marcel's Minute will be about a great pasta recipe you can do on travels or in an office. All you need is a microwave oven. In the supermarket, you can choose between different forms of tortellini. I choose the 4-cheese tortellini filling, so I already have cheese inside the menu and don't have to add it on top. Then I was looking for any tomato sauce under €1. Well, I decided to take the one which had a special offer. I like olives a lot, and that's a little extra I wanted to have today. Put these tortellini in a bowl with a bit of water, have it prepared for about 2 minutes, then it's warm. Then you do the same with the tomato sauce until it's warm, then you add it, and you have a great meal. That was Marcel's Minute. Send any suggestions for Marcel's Minute. It can be anything about travel. Well, just ask your questions or leave your comments, and I'll see you hopefully soon. Be a travelholic. It's your life.